Hey there, Holly with House Flip Masters, showing you inside a flip that's done, but it's missing something. A doorstop. Look what's going to happen when someone all excited going through the house, checking it out, they would go right here and punch a hole right through the wall, especially with this kind of sharp, pokey door lock. So make sure your contractor on his final walkthrough gets door stops everywhere. This house is missing quite a few. Let me show you really quick when you come in here the kind. I like this kind that are hinge door stops. They just stick them right in here. They're not real visible, but you can also get the kind that are down at the baseboard. And the kind I really don't like are these. I really wish the contractor had removed this and patched and painted it. That is so ugly. It's like from 1985. Ugh. Anyway, get nice hidden door stops if you can to keep your door from damaging the walls. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button to be notified of future videos by me. Go to the website hardhatholly.com to get your free download on how to find houses to flip for profits.